Hey, what's up guys? Sorry it's been so long since I posted a video. Been in Utah for work for about 2 months, 1 month and a half. I had to go back, but trying to have time to work on my new car that I bought. I got it about 2 months ago. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm so excited, finally got my dream car, so here it is. Alright, it's a 1991 Nissan Skyline GTR, 2.6 liter twin turbo. I picked it up from a guy in Riverside. It's like the Nardo gray color. I need to get the window tinted, retinted. But yeah, overall it's clean. The dash isn't too bad. It's regular 5-speed. Needs a new steering wheel. This one's all messed up right here. But it runs really good. I did a compression test. Everything was perfect. Here's the seats. Still has the stock wheels too, which are pretty cool. But I got some new ones coming on the way. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Let's look at the motor. Pretty stock RB26. Has the oil filter relocation, and it has Apexy intakes, dual intakes. And I think the strut bar is OEM. I think it came from the factory like that. I've just been stacking parts for this thing. So the first thing I want to work on is I want to do the axle boots because they need replacing. Just do basic maintenance. Came with the Mishimoto radiator. I'm probably gonna change that out. Alright, got some new axle boots, or CV boots, whatever you want to call them. 2 of them are from Nissan. These are actually from Nissan too, brand new, OEM. But here's the part number for one of the sides. This one, the part number came off, but here's another one too, got on Amazon. So 3 of them need replacing, and then these are the steering rack boots. Gonna be replacing these as well. So yeah, here it is in my shop. This shop's a little dirty, I need to clean it up. Yeah, just wanna do some maintenance. Eventually I'm gonna pull the motor out and maybe do a full rebuild. It doesn't need it, but I just wanna add more power to this thing. Because in stock form, it's not too fast. But I want to get at least like 500 horsepower. 450, 500 on pump gas, I'll be happy with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started on these axle boots. I backed it in because only the fronts need replacing, not the rear. The rears are good, okay, so. Alright, just want to show you guys a little before and then I'll show it after. But this one's torn, the outer on the driver's side. I think the inner one is on this one too. It does have some oil leaks. So that's why I want to pull the motor, so I could just go over everything, get everything at once over. That one's been replaced. I think the inside one in here. This side, I think that one's torn too. Can't see it, but I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah. But yeah, it's super clean. One thing that has rust, kind of, the exhaust. The rear is good. Has 10 coilovers. Still has the Hikis. I bought the GK Tech kit, so I'm gonna be deleting the Hikis. That we could be able to steer better and feel better. Yeah, it's pretty solid. There's no rust. I'd say like only like on the pinch welds right here. That's about it. So to remove the axle, you have to remove the nut with the washer, and the cotter pin, and also the sway bar end link, so that way we could pull this out more. And also the tie rod end right here, so this has to come out, and I'm gonna take it off to replace the boot anyway in there, so that's a plus. And then I'll show when I have to pry it out of there on the inside. I'm just gonna stick a pry bar in there and just try to like pop it out, and then hopefully it'll just pull out. Hopefully I'm able to get it out, and easy. Looks like a hard job, but it's just a lot of stuff that we have to disconnect. But it shouldn't be too bad. So, I'm just gonna keep going on. Alright, so I got the cotter pin off, so I'm just gonna loosen this up. And then I don't have the separator tool, so I'm just gonna try to hammer it out, I guess. Hopefully I don't mess up the threads too much. Here's the castle nut. Alright, sorry I didn't film taking this out. This was like the worst job ever. But this is the driver's side axle, and you can see the boot just ripped, so I was able to pull this part out. And then this part was still stuck inside of the front diff. So what I did is I used this big pry bar right here, and I pried on this part. All you have to do is push up and then go out like that, and then it'll pop out. It's just held in with this C-clip right here. Don't try to hit it on this one, because I wasn't getting anywhere on this side. So on the right side right here, you just want to get a pry bar in and then just pop it out. And I already wiped it down. I just need to clean up the inside. Looks like it was getting scored in there. And clean all this up, get the old boot off. You probably have to take this off too, re-grease everything. And then I also got to do this boot. So once I get this off, I'll be able to get this boot off, put this one on first, grease it up, close it up, and then do this one after that. So yeah, this is a lot of work, and I'm doing it by myself. I got the flashlight zip tied to the freaking car, but there's a front diff. Yeah, that was a pain. I took the sway bar link off right here, and I could not get the ball joint out of this part. Where is it at? This one. I could not get this out. I didn't have the right tool, so I just unbolted it from here. So if you guys are doing this, unbolt these two. That's the way to go. See, I was already like scarring it right here, scoring it. So that's the tip. You don't have to take this ball joint out. I got everything in order here. You gotta get these old boots off with these clips right here. Just pry it up, and then it should come off. And then I gotta clean it out. This side I already cleaned, so I'll be I think put the boot on, add the grease, remove it, get it moving around in here and here, and then connect it. you just fold this part, fold it over, and lay it flat. And then you have to bend these. I don't know if you see it. Like little tabs on the side. You have to bend them. That way this stays on. Like this. Alright, now that I got this clip on, I can fill this in with grease and then reinstall this. I'm gonna use the whole tube, or try to at least. Alright, got the top one on. I just want to move the grease around on the inside. Alright, here's an update. I got all the axle boots replaced. This one's brand new. That one, it wasn't torn, so I left it. And then I had to do the two on this one, on the driver's side. You can't really see it. Yeah, right there. So that one's new. And that one's new. It's just dirty. But I also did the tie rod ends. Got brand new tie rod ends. Got the new steering rack boots. Got the new steering rack boots. Got the new tie rod ends. I use them from a 300ZX. Brand new tie rod ends. And got the axles replaced. Axle boots replaced. So that one's good. Brand new. That axle is brand new. So yeah, I skipped a lot of the in-between because there's a lot of videos already showing how to install them and rebuild them, so I'm just showing you guys the finished product. And that's it for this video. Next, I'll be doing the hike is delete in the rear. I'm gonna be getting rid of the hike is, the steering right here. Getting rid of this, all that, replacing with all new GK Tech. So that'll be in the next video.